Hey Nova, want to make your project super animated today? I've got awesome GIFs. Let's bring them into our Scratch project and make them come alive.
Oh, that sounds so cool. Let's go. Hold on. Before we jump in, try solving this one. Alright, first, let's upload the walking duck GIF. Hover over the Choose a Sprite button, then click Upload Sprite. Pick the duck GIF from your computer, and boom, it shows up. Let's make the background color and GIF background color same. Look at that! All the GIF frames are imported as individual costumes. Each frame is a step in our duck's walk.
Now let's make that duck waddle.
Okay, Pixel, go to the Looks category and drag out a next costume block. Now, click it. See? The duck moves to the next frame. But we want it to loop. So I'll grab a Forever block from the Control section and drop it around the next costume. Don't forget the green flag block at the top, or nothing will happen when we start the project.
Yes! Look at our duck go!
Can you believe it? This single block can draw a perfect square.
And here's the last step I want to show you. Let's say you have an animation like this fireworks animation, and you just wanted to play one time, right? The firework goes off once, and then doesn't play again. Here's how you can do that. So I'll hover over the Choose a Right button again, and click Upload, and I'll pick the fireworks this time. And it's a pretty good size. And just like with the duck, you can drag out the next costume block and see all the frames of the animation. So if you wanted to cycle forever, but if you wanted to just go through the costumes a certain number of times, this block is really useful. So I'll put that there. Now, how many times do we want to play through its costumes? Clearly, 10 isn't enough. That only covers a small part of the animation. So let's check how many costumes it actually has. Click on the Costumes tab and scroll down. You'll see it has 46 costumes. That means we should make it repeat 46 times. Let's try that out. Okay, it looks pretty good. But wait, we want the animation to start from the very first costume. To do that, head to the Looks category and use the Switch Costume to block. This block lets you jump directly to a specific costume. Let's switch to Fireworks, which is the very first costume. Then we can let it go through the rest of the animation. That works better. But here's one last fix. Right now, it loops back to the first costume at the very end. That's because we repeated next costume 46 times. If we only want to play the animation once, we should use next costume 45 times instead. Since we already start at costume 1, we only need to move 45 steps forward to reach the last costume. So, the trick is, use Switch Costume to first costumes 1 to start. Then, repeat number of costumes next 1, and add a green flag on top to run it. Optional, add Show at the beginning and Hide at the end to make it appear and disappear nicely. Now we've got the full animation playing just once. Just like real fireworks.
You can try this with any animated GIF.
If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one, Supercoders!